Hi, everybody. You don't see my face today because what we're about to do, I can't screen record because the College Board won't let me. But I'm about to show you how to do the exam demo to make sure that all of your stuff works with the AP exam. So the first thing you're going to see is on Schoology underneath this screencast, which I have to add in as soon as I get done, is you'll see this AP exam demo information. And in there, there is a link. So you go to the link, just click on that, and it'll take you to this website, collegeboard.org, and it's the exam demo. So on the day of the AP exam, you will be putting your AP ID in the AP exam ticket that will be mailed to you 2 days before the exam. But for today, you're just going to type in the word practice. And then you're going to hit continue. So you'll see that this application will help you. You're going to be putting in personal information. You're going to go over review ways to submit your responses for the actual exam. Then you're going to have 2 exam demo questions with 10 minutes each that you'll be taking a look at. So first you want to put in your personal information. I'm going to do mine even though I don't think it's going to accept mine because I'm an adult. But March. And then I'm going to do my email address. And there it is again. Where am I testing from? Home. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then I'm going to do continue. So it's just name, date of birth, and email address, and that's going to be the email address that's used for College Board. So most of you used your 156 email address, but a few of you use personal ones. So just make sure you know. Then you continue, and it says your exam will begin soon. It will start automatically at 3:36:29 Eastern time. Do not refresh the page. So it goes over all the different ways that you can do it. So you can attach a file, which means you're going to type your response in another app like Google Docs and then attach it. Or you're going to attach a photo of a handwritten thing. Or you're going to type in another application, copy and paste it into there. So each of these you can expand to see more information about what you need to do for that. Okay. So that one is, if you'll note, copy and pasting. You have to make sure you include your AP ID and your initials at the top of the page. You won't be able to type your response in the text box, and you can't paste images into the text box. They have a character limit of 15,000, so basically 5 type pages. You won't get to 5 type pages. And then they remind you once you hit submit, you can't go back. One of these applications, they're suggesting Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Notes. So that's the copy and paste guidelines. The photo guidelines, which I don't think any of you will use, or I won't even take a look at. But this is your AP ID and your initials, one text file you can attach, and then they show you how many. So you can use one of those documents, and then you can reduce the size to view the exam, and then you can do the side by side, basically attach a text file. So however you want to do that, that's up to you. Last, the photo guidelines. If for some reason you want to do the handwriting, so you'll see examples of photo submissions. And for some exams, you might want to do photo submissions. For example, if you're doing a music theory exam, you might want to do that. But that's what the photo submissions look like. So you take one photo for each page. You only write on one side of the page, and then you make sure that the whole page is in the shot. You put your AP ID, your initials, and the page number on the top of each page. You can only attach one photo at a time, and you want to make sure you attach them in order. I don't suggest you do this because, you got to use the resources well. So those are the 3 different options that you have available for you. So I am just waiting for that 1-minute timer. While I'm doing that, let me jump back into Schoology. Today, besides this and checking out your AP exam demo, and make sure you do that, underneath this, you're going to have another minor AP exam review activity. It's basically going to be working on writing a soapstone introduction for something that I give you. So you want to make sure that you have that available and that you do that. Then on Thursday, by the time Thursday comes around, I hopefully will have looked at any of the timed writes that you submitted from class on Tuesday, and I'll be able to kind of give you some advice on how to kind of help out with your timed writes, those of you who submitted them, and I'll be talking to you as a general rule, what I saw and what you should look out for on the AP exam. And so that will be underneath here as well. Okay, so 2 seconds here, my exam is starting. Start working on exam question 1 now. So here is, you've been given 10 minutes to read the following question, craft response, and submit it. After 10 minutes, you've been moved to question 2. So you can attach or paste your response and hit submit before the timer expires. So you want to create a demo response. So let's go into Google Drive, and I'm going to go into my Drive and I'm going to create, which is what you want to do. I'm going to do a new Google Doc. And I'm going to have my AP exam ID number at the top of the page and my initials. So my exam number, AP ID number, I'm just going to make up a random number. And then initials, HD. So this is demo question 1. Here is my demo response. I will be copy and pasting it. Okay, so I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy and go back to Safari, and I am going to do the paste response option at the bottom. I'm going to do this, boom. Okay, and then at the bottom, I'm going to hit submit. Okay, question 1 is complete. Question 2 will start automatically at 3:46. So I have 7 minutes and 42 seconds, but you see how that works. So that's basically all you have to do just to make sure that everything that you're doing happens to be working. Okay, I hope that this has helped you kind of get things ready and preparing for the AP exam. I will talk to you more about this at our meeting today, which is Wednesday. We're having morning meetings, and we'll kind of discuss that at that time as well. All right, I'll see you at our morning meeting. Remember, we're doing those conferences, and I have put schedules in Schoology for that. Take care.